Another video on Dom's channel this time. We're in the dunes right now, but we don't know what we're gonna do right now, so we're just like going to the dirt pile over there.
Yeah, we're not getting over there.
Yeah, we are. We got this. Watch this way. No, there's a bunch of ticks in here.
Holy shit, my light's on.
How about we go around that hill?
Follow me. Remember the trail back here?
So, hang on 1 minute.
I'll get back to you when we're at the spot.
Okay, right now we're getting down to the spot.
What? The fuck is that? A mini tire?
Yeah. Well, because my last video where I was leaving off,
As I was rolling down a hill, because I freaking slipped and almost rang my nuts around a fucking tree.
How the hell are we going to get through this?
I don't know. But I almost rang my nuts around a tree. And I ended up rolling like half a mile down a hill. You ready? I'll show you what hill. I just rolled down this. Yeah, it doesn't look that big. It's fucking painful when you're rolling down though. Look, I got marks on my leg from it.
You guys missed it. It was pretty funny. He was like, is that a mini tire?
I'm like, is that a mini tire? And then all of a sudden I started rolling down a hill. And my body was telling me, don't go down the hill because you're, ooh, I found another path. That's orange, okay. My body was telling me not to go down the hill, but I went down it anyway. And I ended up rolling. So yeah.
Well, this could be a hiding spot.
Not where I'm going to be hiding. Think. Found a way out. There we go. We got our way out. Hang on, I'm going to get to you guys when we're at our spot. Okay, so right now we're on top of the spot we were trying to get. And yeah. Oh, fuck. Go. Because that spot over there, and they're working today. Yeah, they are.
Let's get out.
Who was at this moment? He knew. He left. Hang on. I'll be right back.
I just heard bang!
Okay, guys, so we got out of there pretty quick. That was pretty close. So,
guys, you want to hear a story? So, Deshaun over here, that house, not the with the red
right
car,
around the corner.
the black car right around that corner. Deshaun was doing ding dong ditch, and he was opening the door. Deshaun was opening the door, and he couldn't open it. He thought it was locked, but then the guy came out of the house when he was trying to open the door, and he goes, "What are you doing at my front step?" He goes, I'm looking for my dog."
And then, like 3 days later, he came back, knocked on the door, and the guy answered, and he starts dancing, going, "I'm a pretty princess."
And the next day, he said he can't open the door. So,
Oh, I had that on video. I just deleted it.
So, he went home. So the next day, me, Dominic, and his sister came back, and I did the house because...
Actually, it was this house right here.
Yeah. I knew you could unlock the door.
He just didn't want to do it because he's a baby.
He could just turn the handle this way. He was trying to open it like this. You turn the handle this way and open, it's easy. So I knocked on the door and just hid behind those bushes and waited. And the girl came out, there's usually a guy there. And he goes, this is the house he did.
The pretty princess.
The pretty princess.
This is a pretty princess house.
Oh, it's so funny.
Hey, he's home.
Hey, he's home. Let's go get him.
Let's go see if we can get him out. Hang on, I'll be right back.
Let's see the pretty princess.
Want to come out? Want to come out? Want to come out?
What?
Do you want to come out?
I gotta stay because I have to eat lunch.
That's okay. Well, after you're done eating lunch, you want to come out?
Sure.
Okay.
We're gonna be like right around here.
Yeah.
Over
Well, if we're not here, we'll probably be back at my house. We're just making a video.
Okay.
All right. See ya. So you see that, guys? What a surprise. No, I gotta eat lunch. Notice how long it's taken to think of that excuse. So, you probably couldn't see him, but
I
I'll
can't
put...
hear you. There's a glass door in front of you. That's not freaking soundproof.
If I can't hear it when I'm looking at the video, I'll put subtitles during the whole thing. But you probably can't see him because the camera was probably pointing right at his cock for some reason. Yeah, pussy, I'm sorry. But, yeah. So, what do you want to do, Tyler? You want to get back to your house quick?
Yeah.
Okay, not it. Fuck you, bitch. Fuck you. I'm fucking taking this video. Okay.
Wait, let me empty out my shoes.
So Tyler is gonna knock on some guy's house or lady's house. We don't fucking know. Holy shit! Did you make a sandcastle in there?
I made a sandcastle.
You got half the dunes in there. Okay, so your house. You know, we'll just get back to you when we're there.
Oh, Daddy. Huh? Come closer, baby.
Grandpa's not happy. Okay, well, we just needed to show you that, so we'll be back in a second when we get to the house still. Okay, we're here, guys. He's gonna do it real quick. He's gonna run up there. Tyler, we gotta hear it too. Turn right up here. Okay, well, I'm gonna end the video here because I've gone through too much today. My legs hurt now. So, I'll see you next time. Like and subscribe.